So guys, this is my mechanical gaming keyboard from Reed that I recently brought, and I've been really enjoying using it. So I thought to myself, let me give you guys a review. So if you guys did actually want to see the original box that the keyboard came in, I'll show you guys now. So this is the original box that the keyboard came in. You can see here where it has this little remover slip here. So I've taken that out, and this is the original box that it came in. So my keyboard from Reed, mechanical gaming keyboard, black colorway, very nice. And I just wanted to show you guys the original box before you go into the review. But now getting into the keyboard. So as soon as you take it out of the box, this is what the keyboard looks like. I'll give you guys a quick sound test now. So you can hear that it's a very clicky keyboard. If we look on the back, this is what the back looks like with a very custom design here, lines to just also support stability as well on your desk. We've got a little cover here for wire management, so that can just keep your desk looking tidy. Here's a bit of information here about the keyboard. And now flipping over to the front side. So when I was ordering this on the website, I chose the black colorway, but there's actually 3 extra colorways that you can choose from. So that is blue, white, and also matte. So those are the colorways that you can choose from. So it's 4 in total, including the black version. And I'll say the thing that I'm happy with the most is how clicky it is. So I definitely love the blue caps, and I love the sound of the keyboard. But also I love how strong it is. So if you can, well, you won't be able to see it, but it's got metal covers. So the keyboard is very strong and durable. So that's one thing I'm very happy with. And here to the right side of the keyboard is where they've added their little logo, their company logo. So I am going to get into a lot of the specs about the keyboard and just let you guys know what there is to know about it and give you guys an in-depth review. If you guys like the keyboard, let me know down in the comments and I'll send you guys a link and you guys can go check it out for yourselves. So the first thing I should let you guys know, which I'm sure is the #1 thing everybody wants to know on their keyboard, is whether the keys will rub off and the letters. So the keys and letters will not rub off. I forgot the name for it when they don't rub off, but this is a keyboard where the numbers and the keys don't rub off. So that's a good thing to know. So if you guys are typing really fast, if you guys are playing your games on PlayStation or PC, you haven't got to worry about your keys running off. So my first initial impressions of the keyboard is actually positive. I love the way it looks. I love the clicky sound. I love the metal covers, making it very strong. Even the wire, it's just a small thin black wire that will just run down at the back of my desk, so it's not really disturbing anything and it's not in the way. It still makes my desk setup look very clean, and I also love the black color as well. My previous keyboard was a white keyboard, but I just wanted to switch it up to the black, and I definitely prefer the black and I love it more. I love the cleanness of the black and how it adds to the aesthetic of my desk. So those are all good things that I'm very happy with. But with any keyboard, you have to make sure that it's comfortable when you type as well. So the keyboard does actually have a concave ergonomic design. So that means that when you are typing, your fingers will ache less, and it also supports the arc of the finger point. So those are all good things to know on this keyboard. Very durable, very sustainable when you're typing. You're not gonna feel tired. You can type for longer periods of time, especially if you're playing fast-paced games, your fingers won't ache as much. So that's all good. So the concave ergonomic design is very good, and also the support that your wrist will be getting as well. So some keyboards, when they're very flat and they don't really have that rotation when they're sitting upwards, your wrist can become a bit more tired. You don't really feel comfortable, but with this keyboard that does not happen. So this keyboard is actually a USB connector, so it's compatible with PC, PlayStation, and Xbox. And the keyboard does have an aluminum top plate, so you know it's strong. If we take a look at the back of the keyboard again, it has a very stable non-slip foot pad, so the keyboard is very stable and you don't have to worry about any movement when typing or playing those fast-paced games. A few more interesting specs that you guys should know is that this is an 87 key keyboard layout, so with customizable blue caps. And it also has a mixed layer multi-light design with multiple light mode settings. Breathing frequency and backlight brightness can be adjusted, but you can't adjust these on the matte colorway. So guys, if you are interested in this keyboard, let me know down in the comments below and I'll send you a direct link to view the keyboard for yourself. Like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tech content, and also let me know what other videos you want to see from me. But I hope you enjoyed. Peace.